Hello friends, this video is about Securities and Exchange Board of India job opportunities. It is a permanent central government job. Grade A officer as well as many other categories are available based on the qualifications. No experience is required for this opportunity, so freshers are also eligible for this. So bachelor's degree in law, BE or BTech, CA, CFA, CS or cost accountant are eligible. So now we will see in depth about the notification. This opportunity is for officer grade A, that is assistant manager, general stream, legal stream, information technology stream, engineering stream, research stream and official language stream. So these are the different streams based on the qualification. And for online application, in the previous notification it has been mentioned March 7th 2020 to March 23rd 2020, but now the new notification has been released, so the last date for the application has been extended till July 30 2020. And there are three phases. Phase 1 online examination, phase 2 online examination again, and phase 3 is personal interview. And these are the tentative date, but now they will be announcing the dates late. Now let us see about the streams. What are the streams available, how many vacancies are there, and what are the educational qualifications required for that stream. So first category is general stream. The total vacancy is about 80, and here the qualification required is any master degree or the bachelor degree in law or BE or BTech from recognized university. And the second stream is legal. 28 plus 6 vacancies are there, and the qualification required is bachelor's degree in law. And then the third stream is information technology stream. So here 17 plus 5 number of vacancies, and the qualification required bachelor's degree in either electrical or electronics or electronics and communication, information technology or computer science, or the masters in computer application or any other discipline that has a postgraduate qualification, that is minimum of 2 years duration in computer or information technology. So these are the qualification required for information technology stream. Then the next category is engineering civil stream. So the total vacancy is 1, and here either BE or BTech in civil engineering is the qualification. Next we have electrical engineering stream. Here 3 plus 1 number of vacancy, and the qualification required is either BE or BTech under triple E. Then the next stream is research. The total number of vacancies are 4 plus 1, and the qualification required is master's degree in the statistics or economics, business administration, finance or econometrics from the recognized university. And the last category of stream is official language. 1 vacancy is there. Qualification required is master's degree in Hindi with English as one of the subjects, or degree in Sanskrit or English, economics or commerce with Hindi as a subject. So here each candidate can apply for maximum of 2 stream, and for each stream separate online application need to be filled. Okay, the officers recruited in any of the stream may be posted to any department of SCBI irrespective of their stream they applied. And regarding the age limit, a candidate must not have exceeded the age of 30 years as on February 29, 2020. Okay, and age relaxation, maximum of 5 years of relaxation can be provided to the SC and ST, and a maximum of 3 years for OBCs. Also relaxation of 10 years for PWBD candidates, and relaxation of 5 years for ex-servicemen. And the mode of selection, so I told there are 3 different phases. Phase 1 and phase 2 are online examination, and phase 3 is personal interview, and each phase 1 and phase 2 are having 2 papers and each of 100 marks. So phase 1 online examination, there are 2 papers each of 100 marks. So paper 1 generally deals with English language quantitative aptitude, and test of reasoning and general awareness. Okay, whereas paper 2, it depends on the stream what you select. There shall be negative marking, so 1/4 of the mark assigned to the question will be considered as negative mark. And then similar to phase 1, phase 2 also have paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is about descriptive tests, and then paper 2, it depends on the stream what you choose. Here also for phase 2, there will be a negative marking of 1/4 of the marks. And regarding the personal interview, candidate can opt for either Hindi or English language. Then coming to the service conditions, probation of 2 years is mandatory for this opportunity. And then the pay scale, the starting salary is about 28,150 rupees, and including the allowances, it may be 1 lakh 7,000 per month without accommodation and rupees 73,000 per month with accommodation. Then regarding examination centers, almost every state is having center for this examination, so you can choose your own state as per your convenience. And regarding the application fee, for unreserved and OBC and EWSS candidates, rupees 1,000 plus intimation charges. They need to pay 1,000 rupees as well as the intimation charges. So without intimation charges, if you just pay rupees 1,000, they won't accept it. Then for SC, ST and PWBD candidates, only rupees 100 as intimation charges. The fee is non-refundable. Then they have given set of notes for the persons with benchmark disabilities. Also, they have given certain guidelines for the persons with disabilities using a scribe. Also, certain other guidelines are given for the persons with disabilities. Then a very important pre-examination training for SC, ST, PWBD candidates. So they are offering a training for SC, ST, PWBD candidates, and it is of free of cost. There are 4 training centers: Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai and New Delhi. So while filling up the online form itself, the candidates need to be provide their details. So the candidates are required to make their own arrangements for travel, boarding, lodging, etc. So this free of cost is meant for only training alone. And while coming for the first day of training, they should bring the attested copy of caste certificate as well as a copy of registration receipt. Then set of general instructions are also given. For further updates, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you.